head to the, alright, I'm about to head to the shop. And I'm about to get my hair done. I really want to cut my hair off, y'all. Like, hold on, I'm confused. So part of me wants to cut my hair off because it's a new year, and you know, I just feel like I would look more mature if I had like a nice little cut. But then part of me is like, no, hair, this is as long as my hair has been, because I've never set out to like try to grow my hair. I didn't even try to grow this either. It kind of just happened because I was wearing braids for 8 months, as you all saw. So I don't know, everybody telling me like keep the length, but I got a sew-in done and it was horrible. And I kept the braids up for like a month, and then I had just made a U-part wig and I put that on. And once I just recently took it down when I was in Florida, my hair was super thin and it's been shedding since then. So like, it's just not right. But yeah, I'm about to pack up and head to the shop. So I will see y'all once we get there, and I will introduce y'all to Kia, who was also a client of mine, and we'll take this video from there. So let's see what happens. Will I cut my hair off? Will I just get a trim? I don't know, but we'll find out in a couple of scenes after.
Last baby, we ain't gonna last, baby. We ain't gonna last, baby. We ain't gonna last, baby. Wouldn't believe all of the things she put me through, and this is why I just can't get
Okay, y'all. Getting my consultation with Kia. She don't think I need to cut my hair, but
I think it's greasy. I just think it's extremely greasy, and I just think it just needs a treatment. And I'm about to show you, because I'm about to show you on white canvas. I'm gonna turn you around because I cut on a white canvas, because that way you can really see. When you can see through your hair, that's when you know it's broken off. When you can't see through it, you don't need to. It's not broken off. So you could go for a good cut, but you do not. I repeat, do not have to get a bob. Can you see that?
wait. Yeah.
So your hair grows in an angle anyways. So this is shorter here, but it grows like that. Most textured hair does. But you see how still full this is? But we could do, we could just take off some length, but like to say, but a white canvas is gonna tell the story.
So show me with the comb where
if you just want to take some length off.
Yeah. But you see that? Like, my hair wasn't like that 2 months ago when you did it.
Well, that's not my fault.
Yeah, like it looks.
I'll take this and make it more blunt. Take all that. You see this little piece here? We'll go right there.
Oh my god. Okay, so then when I wear it, so this is what I'm thinking. So if I take it off and we go there, and if it's still this type of style though, like this, it's gonna come here and it's just gonna look like a little wrap.
It is. I mean, you can go here, but we got to deal with this here. But I can always layer it. I mean, make, where's that volume back there. What is your goals with your hair?
So I've never had my hair. I've never tried to grow my hair out. I've always just came and kept getting it cut into a bob. But after I wore braids for 8 months,
it started growing.
It grew. But I just feel like this is like really like, I don't know.
It's time for a trim.
Yeah.
So when it's time for me to get my hair trimmed, I hate my hair.
Yeah.
And once I get just my ends trimmed, back to life. I'm like, there it is. So if your goal is to grow your hair out, that's what you should do.
Okay. So
you should
just trim it and layer.
Yeah. And you have layers. They just need to be cut back in. But if your goal is to grow it out, there is no need to cut it. Just because it's time to get your ends cut don't mean it's time for it to start over again. You'll never hit your goals.
Yeah. So Okay, what if I flip the part or something? I just need something like, it probably won't go because it ain't trained, huh?
Like hip over that way?
Something just needs to be like
All
different.
I get is wild thoughts, like a dream come true. Two, just wanna be with you. Three, cause plain to see that you're the only one for me. Come and see me for once, come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me, you don't ever come to me.
Well, use your phone, but it's gonna be a little bit restricted here by enforcement. Okay, so can you show me the layer?
Make sure that everybody is held accountable for their criminal actions that occurred earlier today.
Congressman Jeffries, thank you so much for your time. We're so glad that you're safe.
Thank you. Okay, Lindsay, let's
So
talk
they
to the
stop
audio.
about
We're
right
joined
here.
now by Congressman Mark.
You don't want it any shorter than that.
From Oklahoma.
Don't that look better?
Congressman Mueller, my first question to you.
Yeah, I promise y'all, my hair not gonna look like this tomorrow.
On my couch in the office tonight, 'cause it's not safe to be out there. I was out on the street
I'm
yesterday
gonna be
evening
like,
to get
yeah, I woke up and it still was like this.
I hope it be
It's not gonna be like
This
this.
isn't okay. The rhetoric has got.
Morning, y'all. So it's the very next day, and I'm in just such a mood. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish out this video. I just wanted to go ahead and uncomb my hair with you all. I did not uncomb it. Like, what is this, bro? Last night, I just came home and wrapped it, and as y'all saw, the curls were real, like, tight. So, using a wide tooth comb, we're gonna go ahead and comb it down and see how it's looking. And as you can see, it's really soft, which is why it's already like just falling. Actually, I really don't even need the comb.
Like you don't understand, but I'm losing my patience. Oh, listen. See you got ritualistic. Cleansing my soul. If it isn't love, why do I feel this way?
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and I am gonna close out this video. I hope that you all enjoy just, you know, some different content for my channel. I feel like my part on this side is gonna take some getting used to. I just feel a little like, I don't know, weird. But whatever, yeah. Go ahead and I'm gonna close out this video. I'll catch you all in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. But yeah, keep me in your prayers. I'm wishing you all a prosperous new year. I will catch you all in the next one. And like I always like to say, I hope y'all can hear me over this heater, because my heater in my house is just so loud. I always like to say, do more. Choose the life that you love. I'm Chaz, signing out. Peace. Like mascara on my hand. That's really weird. Thanks for the continued support. And if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos.